So Microsoft just released Microsoft Copilot app. So let's just give it a try. Double click to install. Your everyday AI companion. Improve your productivity with Copilot, your AI-powered chat assistant. Copilot is a pioneering chat assistant from Microsoft powered by the latest OpenAI models, GPT-4 and DALL-E 3. These advanced AI technologies provide fast, complex, and precise responses, as well as the ability to create breathtaking visuals from simple text descriptions, create all in one place for free. So pretty cool, right? Because in ChatGPT app, official app, you need to pay right now to access GPT-4 and DALL-E. Here, you don't need to do it. So that you just go here and that's what you have. Also, this is not GitHub Copilot because, GitHub, like a development versioning system, also has Copilot from Microsoft. This is another app. This is just like a kind of a copy of ChatGPT. And then, you can just go here and then just start using. And you can even start to use it without an account. You can just also enable GPT-4 like that. Or something like that. So there you have it, and then you can just message. So this is also in connect with the Bing app. You can copy it. You can see 1 of 5. So you can see some suggestions. You can tell me a joke, whatever, all the standard stuff. Yeah, but the main advantage is that you can use GPT-4 and create image and images. So let's see if it actually works with DALL-E or you need to create an account. There is some longer. All right, so you need to sign in to create images. So that's what it is. So there you have it. And then to sign in, you need to obviously sign into your Microsoft account, which is already attached here. So quite fun. So yeah, here you have that. And then in the bottom, you can just also send images, send voice messages, start new conversations. So let's see, show all tones, new topics.